Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I am Shafiq Ahmed from Britain International School System, Physics Department, lecture number 15, chapter number 17, Information and Communication Technology, Risks of ICT to Society and the Environment. In this modern age, we are expected to rely upon information technology, but blind faith in modern technology may be dangerous in many cases as bad health, thefting, piracy and hacking. Overuse of computer is dangerous for our health. Computer crimes are also very common these days. Computer crimes is defined as any crime accomplished through knowledge or use of computer technology. There is also a word theft. Theft is the most common form of crime. Computers are used to steal money, goods, information, and computer resources. Piracy is another issue of importance which is common on computer. It is the illegal duplication of copyright material like books, papers, and software etc. Hacking. Hacking is still another illegal activity which is committed on computers. It is an unauthorized access to computer systems of other persons' computers. Hackers can damage some organization by stealing their credit cards and valuable things. It can save us from risks of ICT. One way to reduce the risks of security breaches is to make sure that only authorized persons have access to computer equipment. We may be granted access to computer based on some passwords as described below. We can use a key, an ID card with photo, an ID number or a lock combination, our voice print or fingerprint as password to secure our computer. Computer use data in binary form in the form of zeros and ones. A bit is a single numeric value, either 1 or 0, that encodes a single unit of digital information. A byte is equal to 8 bit. Larger units of digital data are kilobyte, megabyte and gigabyte. These are defined as below. 1 kilobyte is equal to 1024 bytes. 1 megabyte is equal to 1024 kilobytes. 1 gigabyte 1024 megabytes. Uses of computer. Computer plays an important role in our daily life. Computers are used of offices to type letters, reports and documents. Computers are used in railways for reservation of seats and reservation charts. Computer is used in hotels for advance booking of rooms, preparing bills and providing inquiry service. Computers is used by doctors diagnosing and treatment of diseases. Computers is used for architects for building designing and city planning. Computers used in meteorology department for weather forecasting. What is Internet? Internet is a useful source of knowledge and information. Internet is a large number of computers which is major source of information and world communication. Access of Internet to people is increased day by day. Internet is useful source of information and knowledge. With the broadband, you can download information in seconds, email, transmits and receive your messages almost immediately. You can talk to your friends and relatives across the continents. A webcam enables us to hear and see the person you are speaking to. Name of softwares. Programs inside the computer tells the computer what to do are called software. For example, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, PowerPoint, CorelDRAW and Microsoft Windows. discuss the role of information technology in school education. We are living in the age of information technology. Information technology has become part and parcel of the modern world. Nowadays, information technology provides plenty of source, enhance the teaching skill and learning ability. Today, teachers are using multimedia in classrooms to make the better teaching and learning process. The role of IT in school education cannot be ignored. Actually, use of computer in school education has made it easier for teachers to impart the knowledge to students, acquire it. The use of school has made the process of teaching and learning more interactive. The use of audio visuals aids in classrooms teaching invites greatest interest from students. Why optical fiber is more useful tool for the communication process? Waves of visible light have much more frequency than that of radio waves. Therefore, the rate of sending information in the form of light signals using optical fiber is larger than that with the radio waves or microwaves through space or electrical signals through wires. Which is more reliable, floppy disk or a hard disk? Floppy disks are inexpensive and convenient but are not much reliable as they lack the storage capacity and drive speed of many large jobs. There is also risk of data loss stored on floppy. We do not face such problems in the use of hard disk. Therefore, hard disk is more reliable than floppy disk. Thank you.